Well, hello there. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make uh, is it linguiça? Yes, linguiça. It's a Portuguese sausage, and we're going to be cooking it in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. I had a senior moment there a minute. Okay. All right, let me adjust the camera. We're going to get started, shall we? Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot going on over here. So this is the linguiça. I have the hot linguiça. They have mild also, okay? This is the Portuguese sausage, okay? All right, in addition to that, I have one crushed sweet pepper, one crushed onion. If you can't crush it, just cut it up as fine as you can. Okay, in addition to that, I have some white potatoes. That's 2 white potatoes that I cut up. And this is 3 medium-sized onions, half a can of diced tomatoes, 2 sweet green peppers cut up. So you can see I have double the onions and peppers, right? Because that's what this recipe calls for. 1 package of frozen mixed vegetables. And then my seasoning. So I'm going to be using adobo, ground garlic. I also have 1 clove of regular garlic right here. And with the crushed onions and peppers, 1 clove of regular garlic. And let's see, chicken base. I'm going to be using 3 heaping tablespoons of this. This is powdered chicken broth, okay? Some people call it base, some call it broth, whichever you like to call it. And some sassoon. I think we're going to be using quite a bit of sassoon. So let's say I'm going to start with 2 packs, and I'll look and see if that's the color I want, and then if not, I'll add a 3rd one, okay? So that's what we're working with. Alright, so I'm going to adjust the camera to the Power Pressure Cooker XL, which is a pressure cooker, and we're going to get started, okay? Alright, give me a second. Okay, so we're just going to start loading it in, okay? And it doesn't matter what order. So this is 2 pounds of the linguiça, not the bowl. Okay, the onions, the tomatoes, and we have the crushed peppers and onions and 1 garlic clove. We have the peppers. And we have the potatoes. And the 1 package, which is 10 ounces of mixed vegetables. Whoa, we're right up to the top there. See that? Okay, so now we're going to add eight ounces of water. And I'll see if that's enough or if we're going to add more. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to add more water. So instead of 8 ounces, I have a half a cup. So this will be a total of 12 ounces of water. Okay. Now I gotta put my chicken broth in. I'm putting 3 heaping tablespoons. That's 2, 3. And then my seasoning, adobo. You know, seasoning is your choice, as much or as less as you like. Some more garlic. And some sassoon. 2 packages of sassoon. So here's the package of sassoon, 2 of these, okay? Sassoon you find in the Goya section. Okay. Now I'm going to take this out so I can stir it properly because I can't reach over there. Can you see me? Okay. No, you can't. I'm sorry. There we go. Better. I'm stirring it because all my seasoning is on the top and I want to make sure it gets throughout. Alright. Yeah, I can see my water. So the water is halfway now, okay? It's up to here. So that's a good amount. Okay, so we're going to put this back in the machine. And we're going to lock it down. Give me a second, let me move. Okay, is that better for you? Okay, I just wanted to show you this. This knob here, if you push it, you'll hear it. Hear that? I'm going to do it again so you can hear it. Hear that? Okay, you want to turn it till it gets close as it can to this arrow. Okay, and that's when you know this is locked in the lock position, ready to go. And the steam will build up, and when the steam builds up, this red button here will pop up. That's when you know it's actually cooking, okay? And meanwhile, when you turn the machine on, you're going to see some lights moving around right here. That's letting you know that it's cooking, okay? So you're going to put this on, and you're going to turn this knob here to the lock position right here, okay? Okay, let's do it. Okay, and we're on. Now I need to get my glasses, so I'll be right back to see what setting I'm going to put it on. Okay, I have some eyes on. Alright, you're going to hit the button that says soup right here. It's the 3rd button from the top on the left. Alright, that's at 10 minutes. We're going to go up a lot. So we're going to cook this for, I think 30 minutes is sufficient. Okay, alright, it's set on 30 minutes, and then nothing's going to happen for about 5 minutes until the steam builds up. And then the red button will pop up and it will start. Okay, alright, so that's going to cook for 30 minutes, and I'll see you then. Okay, bye-bye. I'll be back. I'll be back. Don't you go nowhere. Oh, and let me remind you of something. I have some links on my channel. Please go over there and check them out. See if it's something that interests you from Amazon. It'd be great if you can maybe get something you need over there. Okay? Alright, and I'm going to also give you the word of the day. Let me see. I want to give that to you right now. Love. Love is sweet. If you have a chance to love somebody, what a blessing, huh? If you have a chance to receive love, what a blessing. And you know, God and Adam alone was in the Eve by himself, and he was lonely. So God gave him Eve. So he don't want you to be alone. He's going to give you a Adam or Eve, whoever you like, okay, to share love with. Or maybe you can share love with your kids or your grandkids, or maybe you have a neighbor or elderly person that you care about. Sharing love is beautiful, and giving it is even better. Love. Go love on somebody, okay? All right, so we'll be back in 30 minutes, okay? We're cooking in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Yay! Be back. Okay, so our time have lapsed and the pressure cooker have stopped, and I waited until the red button went down, which was about maybe 40 minutes, okay? So please wait until that time to open it. If you can't wait, you can take a long arm spoon like this, very long, see? And hold this black button up until all the steam release. Once the steam release, the red button will drop down and then you can open it, okay? Alright, so let's take a look. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to take some out and put it in a dish. Let you see. Okay, and let you get a look. See? How about that, huh? Great. And you can serve this over rice if you like, or just have it just like this if you don't want rice, because you have potatoes in it, okay? Okay, so let me take a taste. I can't hold it in my hand because it's very hot, so I won't do that. So let me get a piece of potato and all the good stuff to go with it. Here we go. The Pressure Cooker XL is a great tool to have. As you can see, we put the starch, the vegetables, and the meat all in that one pot and set it, and that was it. You can go on and clean your house or whatever you want to do, and it gets it done. Okay, let's taste. It's still hot. Wow. That's really good. Now, the sausage is nice and soft, and I can taste the peppers. I like it. Wow. So you go get you some, okay? Linguica, Portuguese sausage. Who'da knew? Okay. It's good to try new things at different times, because you never know if you'll like it or not. Alright? Alright, this is Grandma Ray, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, okay? Alright, love you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.